Good morning, class. Today's topic is general term in a binomial expansion and how can we find the middle term in a binomial expansion. We know that x plus a to the power n equal x to the power n a to the power 0 plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 a to the power 1 nc2 x to the power n minus 2 a to the power 2 nc3 x to the power n minus 3 a to the power 3 and so on. ncn x to the power 0 a to the power n. If we have to find a general term in a binomial expansion, we firstly see that what is first term means t1 is given by nc0 x to the power n a to the power 0, t2 nc1 x to the power n minus 1 a to the power 1, t3 nc x to the power n minus less than 3 means less than 1 from 3 means n minus 2 a to the power 2, t4 nc less than 1 from 4 means 3 x to the power n minus less than 1 from 4 means 3 and a to the power less than 1 from it 3. And if we see r plus 1th term of this binomial distribution, then we have nc less than 1 from it means r p to the power n minus less than 1 means r and a to the power less than 1 from it r, and it is called the general term of a binomial expansion. Now, middle term in a binomial expansion, we know that in the expansion of x plus a to the power 2, we have and in the expansion of x plus a to the power 3 equal x cube plus 3x square a plus 3a square x plus a cube, x plus a to the power 4 equal x to the power 4 plus 4 x cube a plus 6 x square a square 4 x a cube plus a to the power 4 x plus a to the power 5 equal x to the power 5 5x to the power 4 a 10x to the power 3 a square x square a cube five x a to the power 4 1 a to the power 5. Here we see when n is even, the middle term is 1. When n is odd, the middle term is, when n is even, middle term is only 1. When n is odd, middle term is 2. When n is even, middle term means between, is only 1. When n is odd, middle term is 2. Then if in the expansion of x plus a to the power n, if n is even, we have one middle term and it is given by n by 2 plus 1th term. Or we can write it t n by 2 plus 1th. Now if n is odd, we have two middle term and middle term is given by n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 by 2th term. Means t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. It is middle term in the expansion of x plus a to the power n, and the total number of terms when we expand a binomial expansion if n value of n is 2, then we have total number of term is greater than 1 from it, means 2 plus 1 3, it is 3, then 4, then 5, then total number of terms in the expansion of x plus a to the power n is n plus 1, and it is answer.